Halor ka Shongsuk Shongshngaiñ hakitan Khappud ka Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh, Menteri Rangba Jela Ulaong kalong Kabae ya ka Sorkar Jela ban Kren Eiei ka Shngaiñ ni kam Shngaiñ namar kade ka Kamram jong ka Sorkar India. Henry Ulaong pat ka Kamram jong ka Sorkar Jela ki Sipai BSF bat ki pat ki State bat Central Agency ban pet perman bha Halor ka Shongsuk Shongshngaiñ hakeleng kitan Khappud ka Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh.
For me to say that it's secure, not secure, it's not my at my level for me to comment on that because the government of India and others are involved in it. But as a state, I can tell you that all steps are being taken. The government of Meghalaya, the BSF, and all the agencies are very alert. As you recall, even on the 24th, I did not give a press release on that because I thought it was internal security matter, so I did not have a press release. But all the different agencies, we all sat together on the 24th of December. BSF was there, IB was there, and others were there, and we discussed the security matter at the border. This, as I said, was on 24th of December, Christmas Eve. So I took out time on that day also to have this review meeting because it was very important. And we've been continuously monitoring the borders. So therefore, as of now, we have seen that there is nothing major to be concerned about, but obviously we have to be very, very, very alert, and we have to be prepared in every possible way, and that's what we're doing. Apart from that, if you look at the overall situation of the border fencing, it's about 440 kilometers, as you're aware, and about 30 plus minus, maybe about 40 kilometers is the part that is pending. Then they are in different parts of the state, some in West Jaintia Hills, a bit in South Karo Hills, one or two locations in other districts are there, not much, but majority of are in these two districts. And we've seen that there are certain issues in each location. Somewhere the population is concerned, they are like saying that the fencing should be before the village or after the village. Those kind of concerns are there. Somewhere some land acquisition issues are there. Somewhere outright the landowners are not allowing. So those things are being worked out. In some cases there are court cases going on. So in all of these cases we are taking necessary steps. I had a review on this about 4 months back, and in that most of the cases were almost resolved. So I do expect that very soon, because as I said, some of them are even having court cases. Especially I think the West Jaintia Hills section, which is the largest, which is left unfenced, which means about 40 kilometers plus minus 30-40. I stand corrected if there is a mistake there. I don't have the numbers in front, but it's about 30-40 kilometers plus minus. So I expect that will be completed also soon. So Government of India has also been following up on this, and been in touch with Delhi to brief them. So we are moving very aggressively on that. I hope that things should be completed soon. Politically speaking, the current dispensation there, and the government is not in the position to engage right now, because obviously there is the election aspect. Once elections are over, then we will move forward again and continue the process.
So what steps will the government